When I started, this space was just filled with construction debris. It had a name, it had some ideas. I had to figure out what was going to be in this space. It became obvious that not everyone was interested in just touching a screen or even interacting with a screen at all. So what we try to do here in the VisLab is show people all the different fun things that they can do with the knowledge of how to make things, with the knowledge of how things work. And as it comes out molten. It'll dry in just a couple seconds. So we have lots of different things in here that I would classify as nerdy. And when you come in, you can talk to us about all sorts of topics in science and technology. Everyone that comes in can hopefully identify with something or see something that they're interested in and want to know how they can do that too. You're going to want to do something like that, I think.
Matt gives his best he has every day. He's very engaging with people. And to be a good teacher, you have to engage with the students and the people that you deal with every time. And that's one thing that we try to do in here, because you've got so much stuff in here that is hands-on and visible and stuff like that. I mean, we have kids that come in here and the parents get ready to leave, and the kid look up and says, before you leave the museum, I'll be right here, come get me.
There's a certain amount of magic that Matt is aware of in all of this visual menagerie that we have here. There's play, there's nothing wrong with play at all. That's an element of science, is having that freedom to search, freedom to express, freedom to fail in order that you can succeed. And he's very aware of that. That's endemic to Matt, and that's a gift that he lays out there for the visitor that comes into the lab.
Maybe the most unique project that I've ever started is to create a series of videos on YouTube where we talk about science and we talk about the museums in general, and this museum specifically, and answer people's questions, all the while playing Minecraft.
We are real science museum curators on a mission to rescue museum artifacts and to explore a one-to-one scale model of the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences.
It's a way for the VisLab to reach a global audience. I've created the entire museum inside of Minecraft at one-to-one scale using the blueprints. I built the buildings, and then those are files that people can download. So we use that as a hook on YouTube.
Kids are excited when you tell them that this museum is on Minecraft. He's gone where the kids are, and he's going to teach the kids where they are. They can't wait to go home and try it. They want to do it here before they leave.
I have tried to make it so that everyone that leaves this lab knows something that they didn't know before. Helping people to learn more about this world, helping people to learn how they can make things on their own using a variety of tools. That's what's most important to me and what I get the most passionate about.